In properly preparing for your demonstration, you will need to ensure that your machine is in good working order and the batteries are charged. When loading or unloading the B5, B7, make sure that the burnishing head is in the transportation mode position, which means that the head is at a 45-degree angle. This ensures that the head and dust skirt do not bottom out or get caught on the trailer ramp. For a proper burnisher demonstration, make sure you know the floor finish on the customer's floor. Make sure the optimal pad is available for outstanding demonstration results. If you are unsure of which pad to utilize, please reference Tennant's Floor Finish Pad Guide Matrix. In addition to having the proper pads on hand, make sure that the floor you intend to use for the demonstration has been properly prepared. This means that the floor must be dust mopped and scrubbed. At this point, make sure to add the appropriate burnishing pad to the machine in front of the customer. This is one of the key features of the machine. The 90-degree pad change offers complete visibility to the operator when changing the pad and ensures a properly centered pad. There are two types of dust control available on the B5, B7, active HEPA dust control or passive dust control. Shown here is an example of the active HEPA dust control. Note the HEPA filter and vacuum hose leaving the back of the dust box. HEPA filtration is very important for indoor air quality in healthcare, educational, retail, and other facilities. This is another critical feature of the machine. The active dust control units come standard with a paper bag and HEPA filter, which is rated to 99.97% at 0.3 microns. In contrast, the passive dust control system does not have a vacuum or HEPA filter at the rear of the dust box. Passive dust control units come standard with a paper bag, but there is also an optional reusable cloth bag available. The reinforced metal dust guard and bumper bar ensures that the dust box and burnishing head remain protected from potential damage from items such as hospital equipment, racking, desks, chairs, etc. Graphics and reference points have been added to the machine to help users better understand how to operate the equipment. Examples of this include graphics on the dust box, how to start graphics, as well as an attached troubleshooting guide. Lead acid, in addition to sealed AGM batteries, are available to meet individual customer needs. Lead acid batteries are also available with the optional HydroLink battery watering system. The burnishers have two types of down pressure, either actuated, which is adjustable right on the console, or mechanical, which can be adjusted under the hood. The actuated down pressure has three available settings: low, medium, and high. These can be adjusted by either adding more or less down pressure. Generally, for a demonstration, start with a medium down pressure and adjust as necessary. The mechanical set and forget down pressure is adjusted under the hood and is usually set by the installing salesperson or supervisor. Here are the steps to set a set and forget machine. First, locate and depress the small hidden button on the left side of the control panel while turning the key. Hold this button until a single green light appears on the battery discharge indicator. When the button is released, the green light will turn off and the service indicator light will turn on. The machine is now ready to verify the current pad pressure. Pull the bail and operate the machine for approximately 10 seconds. The LEDs on the console will ripple, and then a single light will appear confirming the current pad pressure setting. If the down pressure setting is too low, the red lights on the left will flash. If the down pressure setting is too high, the green lights all the way to the right will flash. A medium to medium-high down pressure setting is recommended for initial evaluation. If the down pressure needs to be adjusted, increase the down pressure by moving the cotter pin towards the front of the burnishing head. To reduce the down pressure, move the cotter pin towards the rear of the machine. You may need to run the machine again for another 10 seconds and confirm the down pressure. Adjust as necessary. Turn off the machine and the unit will now be set. Other features on the console include the forward and reverse toggle, the green speed dial, indicators, and of course the bail. The following indicators are located on the console: service, motor overheat, battery discharge, and check dust bag indicator. All units come standard with a key switch, hour meter, and drive units come standard with an emergency stop button. An onboard charger is standard on the machine, although an off-board charger is available. A fantastic feature of this machine is that the hood does not need to be open when charging. The machine was designed for proper venting of hydrogen gases when the machine hood is closed. Note the venting on the top of the machine to assist with cooling and dissipating of the hydrogen gases. The machine is ETL listed in the US and Canada and tested to the UL standard. This machine is also less than 70 dBA, which means that it is LEED qualifying. Now that the customer has seen the machine, it's time for the demonstration. I always do the following when getting ready to operate the machine. If not already, turn the key to the on position. 2. Put the machine speed at the slowest position. 3. Engage the burnisher head foot pedal and lower the head to the floor. And 4. Slowly engage the bail and start operating the machine. During the demonstration, another key feature of this unit is the low dBA. It is easy to carry on a conversation and shows that the unit is well suited to be used when people are present. That concludes our B5, B7 demonstration video. I hope you found this useful, and as always, good selling.